Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
Today I'm very good. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, today I'm very good. Thank you. Okay, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fadila Zahrani. I am a student of STKIP PGRI Lubuk Linggau. First of all, I would like to say thank you for all my beloved audience for the participation and this morning. I like to present my research proposal about developing reading skill among students with learning disability in English. So let's get started. The first one is introduction. Active learning is linked to learn inclination and desires in which creative, collaborative, or exploratory strategy are used to help students to progress through the different stage of education. It also enables them to make their own discussion after being trained using such a method. The positive teacher is the active teacher who is not satisfied with the information he obtained during university education only, but is also keen on continuous learning for life. Reading skill is a complex mental process with a hierarchical set linked to thinking in its different levels, which are based on each other. Therefore, it can be said the reading is social process that is not linked to specific time or place but goes beyond that to all level of education. And the second is literature review. In this section, there are 3 points that will be discussed. The first, active learning. Post and Paulson argue that active learning is what students do in class other than passively listening to what the teacher say during class. This is not active listening that help them understand what they hear and write down the most important idea presented in class, such as explanation, comment, or suggestion. This also includes work with group exercise and activity in a way that applies what they have learned. The purpose of active learning is to help students to discover important issues, to encourage students to ask different questions, and encourage them to solve problems to determine how students learn, to measure student ability, to contrast new idea, and to encourage and train students to learn on their own. The second is reading. Reading is defined as the process by which writing and other symbols are translated into spoken word and audible sound with various meaning. Reading is also a thought process that is no less important than that used by the author of the text. In both cases, there is organization, analysis, reflection, synthesis, judgment, problem solving, selection, inference, data comparison, criticism, interrelation, conclusion, generalization, and understanding. Great efforts have been made in research, teaching, and learning to read. Reading often cultural doors the student by focusing on idea and myths that describe human experience. The third is preface study. Yusuf exam the attitudes of 41 school teacher about active learning. The teacher get 40 hours of training on the active learning approach. The study use interview, questionnaire, and observation to collect data. Finding from the interview reveal several negative factors that could hinder the implementation of active learning strategy. These constraints include limited resource, limited space, and class management. This research used the from the questionnaire for student and teacher to identify their opinion about the application of computation and the computation model as a past model. Let's move to the next slide, methodology. In this section, there are 2 points. First, population and sample using the result sample method with result sample consisting of 40 male and female students, which were divided into two divisions representing two study groups. Second is instrument. This study used an English reading test for students with an LD in English. The real validity of the reading test was verified by presenting the objective and test item in their initial form to a group of specialists and experienced judges. The goal is the exam and reformulate the item, express their opinions in the form of linguistic vocabulary, and express their observation in the test item in terms of clarity, purpose, and the extent to which it is complete. Okay, to the next slide. Result and discussion. The reason for the superiority of the experimental group over the control group could be associated with a focus on learn positivity. The active learning method focuses on learning in cooperative group and gives students the freedom to learn responsibly. Using this method places students in a environmental education that fosters student willingness to learn, do activity enthusiastically and effectively. Such a method might help to realize the general characteristic and relationship between knowledge, idea, and information. Analyze and classify them, identify similarity and difference between them, and compare them with information and idea held by student. In addition, this method increases student attention to the subject matter and skill of the lesson and activity. The role of inquiry in achieving sound read. Okay, I think notes for my explanation. If you have a question, I will be happy to answer.
Okay, Fadila, I have one question for you.
Yes.
What is the purpose of active learning?
Okay,
Thank
thank you,
you.
Carmelita.
Yes.
My answer the purpose of active learning is to help students to discover important issues, to encourage students to ask different questions and encourage them to solve problems, to determine how students learn, to measure student ability to construct new idea, and to encourage and train students to learn on their own. This is my answer. How about you and Carmelita? Do you understand?
Thank you, Fadila. I understand.
Okay, thank you, Anggi Carmelita. I will conclude my presentation today. The conclusion is based on the result of this study. The result recommend training educational supervisor and teacher on practical application for using the active learning method and evaluating it in the classroom through the adoption of training program and the holding of specialist technical seminar and workshop in this file. That's all my presentation for today. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.